Hello and welcome to the next tutorial of Web Atoms. In this tutorial, we will use navigation service to open page and retrieve result in a flyout page application, previously known as a master detail page. This is the main page, which is derived from flyout page and which hosts a drawer page and a home page. Drawer page contains a list view which hosts menus obtained from view model. And when we click on the menu item, we pass on the menu item to view model's open menu method. We broadcast close drawer message and we then pass on the menu to open page method of navigation service. Open page method takes three parameters. First is a node style module name or a page class, which we have set it here in the value, or we can set a name of the module which is probably located somewhere else. And the second parameter contains key value style parameters, which will be set on a view model associated with the page after the new instance of the view model is created. We do not create the new view model. It is page's activation cycle that automatically creates view model by calling resolve in the create method, as you can see here. This is important to create view model in this way so that all the dependencies are injected correctly. As you can see, we are passing demo1 and message1 parameters with the demo page in a demo1 link, and for demo2 we are passing demo2 and message2 parameters. When the demo page will open when we click demo1, it will have title and a message, both the properties set for the associated view model, which are here. And if you can see in the demo page, we have bound message to the label. See, message 1 appears here. We go back to the main menu page and message 2 appears here. Let's add a new page wherein we will ask user's name and we will send the name back to the calling page when user hits an action button. Let's add a property in a view model called model. Let's add an entry and bind the value to model of the view model. Let's add a button and let's call save method when we click the button. We need to change base class for this view model to atom window view model, because window view model has a close method that we need to call in save method, which will close the window and send the result back to the calling page. Let's add a method ask name in a demo page view model. Inside this method, we will open page, name page, and await for the result. We will import navigation service and we will call open page method on navigation service. Let's add a button to call ask name in demo page. Now let's open a demo page and let's click ask name. Let's type in a name and let's send it. And here we have hello Akash. We got the result from the page and we are displaying it on this page. Thank you for watching this video. In the next video, we will show how to configure and use Visual Studio Code for local development. Thank you.